Hello everyone, this is Dr. Namrata Shah. I'm back again with a moral story. The one that I'm going to share with you all today is a little emotional one. So it goes like this. Once there was a lady who goes to a park with her son who's riding a bicycle. She goes and sits next to a man who's also waiting over there for his child. So the lady asks, "Oh, look there, the boy in the blue t-shirt is my son." So the man replies, "Very young, handsome boy." Then he points at a girl. "Look at that girl in a pink cute little dress is my daughter." So the girl says, "Wow, so cute." Then after a few minutes, the father calls out to the daughter and says, Come on, Ginny, it's time to go." Ginny comes to dad and says, "Dad, 5 more minutes. Can I please play for a little more while?" Dad says, "Sure, 5 more minutes, not more than that." The child says, "Yes, Dad." She goes back to play. After 5-7 minutes, the dad calls out to Ginny again. "Ginny, time to go." Ginny says, "Dad, please, 5 more minutes." Dad agrees again and Ginny goes to play back. The mother sitting next to the man looks at the man and says, "Wow, you sure are a patient father." The father says, "This is not patience. These are 5 more minutes I'm getting to watch her play. Just 2 years back, I lost my son because of these 5 more minutes that I couldn't allow him. At that time, on the way back, he met with an accident on the bike and we lost him. All what she thinks is that she's getting 5 more minutes to play, but I am getting to watch her play for 5 more minutes." You know, people, why I've told you all such an emotional story today? Because I just read a news about a plane crashing in Calicut where I don't know how many people might have died. We have lost family members in an accident. We have lost family members at a very young age. It is very unfortunate to lose people at untimely loss of people from your life is extremely unfortunate and very, very difficult to accept. Life is all about making priorities, and family is one and only priority on top of all the other. Spend all the time that the God has given you with your loved ones, because we may never know that tomorrow how much time do we have with our loved ones. It sure brings tears to my eyes. So I shall end it here, and I hope everyone has a great weekend out there, and stay safe, stay at home, and enjoy and spend as much time as you can with your loved ones. Bye. Have a great time.